Welcome everyone, this is part 2 of the 2016-17 SHSAT walkthrough. We are doing Form B, questions 61 through 70. If you've not subscribed yet, go ahead and do that now. That way you stay up to date with all the newest videos. If you don't have a copy of this test, please click the link below in the description, download or print out a copy for yourself. Alright, let's get started. Again, we're doing questions 61 through 70 today. Our first question, we have lorgs and dolts and dollars. What does any of this mean? Who knows? It's just fake currency. All right, so we have 140 lorgs. So 140 divided by 7 equals 20. And we have 16 dolts. So 16 divided by 0.5 equals 32. Add it up and you get 52, which happens to be answer what? B. All right. Question 62. We want to know how many children have blonde hair or brown eyes but not both. So that would be what? Our blonde hair and blue eyes would count. And our brown eye and black hair. So we would have 18 plus 15 is 33. Okay, another currency question here. 1 cent is 5.6 ricks and 1 cent is 12.88 dolts. We want to know how many dolts are equal to 1 rick. So you have 12.88 divided by 5.6. You can go ahead and divide that out, but I can see it's going to be about 2. So our answer is going to be B. And sometimes you can go ahead and simplify, or not simplify, estimate the answer. Our answer choices are not all that close to each other. Right? I know 12 divided by 5 is about 2.5, so 2.3 is close enough. Okay, 64. We need to know the test scores for 17 students. In order to find the median, all right, the median is the one in the middle. So the one in the middle of 17 is going to be the 9th kid, right? So there's going to be 8 below the median and 8 after the median. So the sweet spot we're looking for is the 9th student. So let's go ahead and figure that out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then our winner is right here. So our median is 80. And where's our highlighter? That is answer J. Okay, question 65. Now we got to do some math here. We set up a proportion. 1.1 times 0.21 is going to equal what? 1, 1, 0, 2, 2, 0.231. And we have to divide that by 0.33, which is going to give us 0.7. All right, so that's going to be answer C. Right, simple proportion. Okay, now we have to compare some fractions. This also involves some work here. So let's just start with 11 over 3 and 25 over 7. Okay, 7 times 11, 77. 3 times 25 is 75. So this one is bigger so far. Now let's compare 11 over 3 with 18 over 5. So we get 55 over here, and what is this then? 54 over here? Yeah. So 11 over 3 is going to be the biggest answer, so we know it's not this, this, or this. So now we just have to compare the other two fractions to see which one is the smallest. So we have 25 over 7, and we have 18 over 5. 25 times 25 is 125. 18 times 7 is, what is 18 times 7? 126. So this one is bigger. So 18 over 5 is going to be in the middle, which happens to be answer F. So 66 is going to be F. All right, so we're going from least to greatest. All right, let's clear the screen here. All right, we have to find some more midpoints again. Excellent. So Q is what? 1/3 of the way from R to P. So we have to go backwards from R to P, 1/3 of the way. So P is -5, R is 4. That is a distance of 9, right? And 1/3 of that is 3. So 4 minus 3 and is 1, which is what? Letter Q. So Q is right here. Okay, so what do they want to know? They want to know the midpoint of PQ. So P is -5, Q is 1. Combine those, you get -4. Divided by 2, you get -2. That is how we find midpoints. That is answer E. Okay, moving on. 68, only 3 questions to go. Stick with me here. A prom dress was $450, it's 1/3 off. Well, 1/3 of $450 is $150. So we just subtract that away and we end up with $300. Okay, 10% more comes off. 10% of 300 is 30. That'll leave us with 270. Now we have to find 6%, so times 0.06. It's going to be 0, 2, 4, 12, 16, and 2 decimal places, $16.20. So we just have to add that back on because that is taxes, and taxes you have to pay for. So that gives us what? 20 cents, $286.20, which is answer J. Okay, so you just have to focus on whether you need to add things in or subtract them out. Right? Any kind of discounts or price off is going to be a subtraction. If we have taxes or if we're leaving a tip, that's going to be addition. Okay, 69. How many different 2-digit numbers can be formed using those 3 numbers, not repeating, and it must be even. So it's got to be even, it has to end in 8. So there are only two choices, 78 and 98. Right? So our answer is C. I like that problem. Number 70. We have 125 feet below sea level, so -125. Here's sea level of 0. And they climb all the way up to 5,348. So how far is this? So we have to add this. So 125 to 0 is 125. Then you have to add the 5,348. So let's just go ahead and do that. 125, 3, carry the 1, 7, 4, 5. 5, 4, 7, 3. And again, we have to make this a positive number because we're going from -125 to 0, which is a positive 125, or the absolute value is 125. And then from 0 to 5,348 is also positive. So you just add those two positive numbers together. Okay, hope you enjoyed this walkthrough. Hope it's helping you get ready for the SHSAT. Good luck on your test, and hopefully we'll see you back for part number 3.